We are out of here. Let's warm this sucker up.
Some water for the trip.
Thank you. Got our amateur bracelets on.
All right.
Let's rock and roll, baby.
Pull this anchor chain and get moving.
Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot sailboat, Honu Time. We're a couple Canadians that traded land life to become full-time cruisers. Over the past year, we've been working tirelessly to get her shipshape and ready for new adventures on warm, crystal blue waters. Join us every Friday as we bring our 01 boat back to the 21st century and have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for being a part of our journey.
Hello, Gulfstream. Nice to meet you. I know Honu Time's been in here a couple times, but we haven't, and this is awesome. Starting to smooth out a little bit, which is nice. It was super bumpy for a long time, but this isn't too bad. I think it's because we're right in the Gulfstream now. So the wind, it's a southeasterly right now, and it's kind of going with the current, which is kind of flattening things off a bit, and that's nice because it was pretty rough for a bit, but we're not out of the bouncies yet, as you can see. We got some more of that still, but it's better than it was, that's for sure, right, baby?
It is awesome. We are almost in the center of the Gulfstream right now. I don't know if you can get that on the thing.
On the thing? We'll check.
On the finger.
Yeah. There we are. Yep.
So we're almost halfway through and making our way out to the other side.
We're doing real good there for a bit. We had to reef the main actually, so we're still reefed right now, as you can see, and then our wind literally dropped from 22 knots down to about 9. So motor's back on, trying to get a little bit of speed and get us back on course. It was kind of luffing and blowing. We were just going with the current, so yeah, that's what we're doing right now. But it's flattened out a lot out on the Gulfstream here. It's gotten a lot smoother, which is nice because it was really bouncy for a while, but we can handle this. Hopefully it stays like this for the rest of the day, maybe with a little more wind. But this is doable.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel. And let us know what you think in the comments section. We love hearing from you. If you'd like to show a bit more support, hit us up on our Patreon page for tons of extras and real-time weekly updates. I'll pop the link in the description below. Love you guys.
Sky tonight is epic.
As the sun set and we finished our crossing across the Gulfstream, our beautiful conditions slowly turned into one of the roughest passages we have ever experienced.
Hi, bud.
What, baby?
Hi.
Hi.
It's bouncy, hey?
Very bouncy. It's crazy in here right now.
It is.
Yeah. A little status update. We are just making our way past Grand Bahama and heading past Freeport. And the seas kicked up pretty good tonight. We've done a lot of overnight passages before, and I've never really had an issue with them. Been pretty chill and just relax and that sort of thing. But this one feels a little bit different. It's I don't know if maybe it's because we're in deeper water, or we're not along the coastline, if we're out just in the ocean, or the fact that we are going to be going through shipping lanes for the next 5-6 hours, or that we had a nice relaxing sail all day today, and then as soon as it got dark, everything got crazy. I don't know. We can't see the waves, and we're just rocking and rolling. And it's terrifying. It's a little bit scary, and you know, you just gotta ride it out and hope for the best, and kind of watch the wave direction on the apps and try to point your nose in the right direction, and watch out for lights. But this one's definitely a bit more uncomfortable than the other evening passages that we've done in the past. Not loving it. Our first beautiful Bahama sunrise. It was a pretty eventful, non-eventful evening. We didn't run into a lot of shipping traffic, but the weather did turn a bit sideways. Just the sea state. The weather itself was okay, so we got bucked and rolled for a better part of the night until we got past, excuse me, Freeport, and then it calmed down. This is the nicest that it's been right now. It's a pretty calm and stable sea state, and we've actually had the opportunity to get some sleep in the last couple of hours, which was good. But all in all, it's been a pretty awesome passage. No major hiccups or issues, so I can't complain. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Baby, it's our first Bahama sunrise.
Woo!
Woo!
Maybe we should cut the motors and sail it.
Baby.
Look at this beautiful fucking sky all around. Oh my God.
Baby. We're in the Bahamas.
It's unreal. Look at this. That looks like cotton candy over
I
there.
know, it is absolutely gorgeous out this morning. We couldn't have asked for a better first morning to come into the Bahamas.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
So
Well, you could ask
exciting.
for better. You could ask for coffee.
Maybe I'd like some coffee, please.
Come on in, right back.
Epic. Absolutely epic.
Unreal.
We are in 37 feet of water,
Yep.
and we can see the bottom.
Look at how
Look
gorgeous
how
that is.
blue and gorgeous this water is. I don't know. I bet you can't see the bottom through this, but
No problem.
wow. Look at it. I see it. Oh my God, this is awesome.
That's the prettiest blue water I've ever seen in my
Oh.
life. Wow.
See if we can get a better view of it. Oh, it's so look at the sun glittering off the boat. It is so super salty. Oh, we've got our work cut out for us to get this baby cleaned up. We got smashed last night with the waves coming over the bow. Everything is so salty. But it looks pretty glittering in the sunshine. It is like a swimming pool. Come see this.
Wow. It doesn't even look real.
Isn't that amazing?
Look at that.
I know. I know.
That's a huge ray. He's swimming by. He's over there. Wow. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh no, that's a sea turtle. It's a huge sea turtle. Oh my God, this is insane. Unbelievable. Oh, there's another turtle. No, it's another ray. This must be the off to work highway. Great Harbor Marina, Great Harbor Marina. This is sailing vessel Honu Time. Sailing vessel Honu Time.
This is Granada Marina. You want to go to 1-4?
Great Harbor Marina, this is Honu Time.
You said Bunny Tide?
Honu Time. H-O-N-U Time.
Oh, Honu Time. Okay. Hi, Honu Time. You can go ahead.
We are checking in this morning and clearing customs, and wanted to see if our slip was available or if we should hang out in the out here.
You don't have a reservation, so you're just clearing customs. Is that correct?
We do have a reservation.
No, we do have a reservation.
All right. So are you through the cut as yet?
We are about 3/4 of a mile from the cut.
All right. So I just need when you get through the cut, you can give us a hail on 16, and I will be able to give you your slip assignment, or I can give you it now, and you still hail us on the radio so that I can have somebody to assist you.
Go ahead for Honu Time.
Honu Time, your slip assignment is slip number 13. That's 13. That is a stern in on your port side, or you're bowing in on your starboard.
Stern in bow. Stern in port side.
Yeah.
Stern in port side. Slip 13.
Yes, sir. Someone will be there to assist you with your lines. We just asked again that once you're through the cut and you're almost here, you give us a shout on 16 so that you let us know to prepare for you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll give you a shout shortly. Thank you.
All right, Honu Time. Thank you so much. Great Barbecue Marina will be standing by on channels 14 and 16.
Honu Time 16. Okay, so we are checking into the country. We are raising our quarantine flag now. And this will stay here until we have cleared customs. At what point we will switch to?
The Bahamas courtesy flag.
Yes, we will.
There we
All
go.
right, here we
We're
go.
ready to go.
Let's get through the cut.
All right.
It's coming up.
Use can this can sweeter from Israel way, Mrs. Straight and New York. Dancing up your lamp and this one make you right on. What about the nation and over creation? Yeah, sometimes rain and sometimes shine. All the sorrow and trouble you gotta leave behind. Right on. What time is a great tribulation? Nation them a fight against nation. What time is a great tribulation? She what a bam bam in a big billion. Away from the DJ car ranking, maybe when we fling it on the roads.
Oh my goodness, that was a lot of an adrenaline rush. We just got tied up to the marina, and Ray, awesome dock guy here, helped us get all tied up. Everything's good to go. He's getting us set up with customs for them to come and grab us and take us to the office to go through all of the paperwork there. We are running on adrenaline. This is just, it's a lot of stuff when you've never done it before, but it's going pretty good. So now it's time for marina paperwork, check-in paperwork, all that kind of fun stuff. And then we do customs, and then it's time for us to relax a little bit. Josh is working on washing the salt off the boat while we're waiting for our turn with customs. But we got the AC on now, and it's cooling down in here because it's hot. We got to get accustomed to this weather. I can't wait to go swimming. Well, we just got our name called to go into customs, so we got all of our paperwork and documents ready to go. Gonna have a quick chit chat, hopefully get everything stamped and rock and roll, and then we'll be ready to raise our Bahama flag.
Yay.
Yay!
Hey, baby.
It's official, we're legal. So,
We did it. Our permit's complete. We passed through immigration and customs with flying colors.
yes, PU flag comes down, and our Bahama courtesy flag goes up, and we are ready to rock and roll the Bahamas, baby.
Yeah, we are. And we need to have a
Crossing
crossing
cocktail.
cocktail. That was a long wait.
Look at, it's up.
It's up. Sweet. Good
Did
job.
it.
Good job, baby.
Woohoo! Baby, I have a very serious question to ask you.
Yeah.
Is this the best place you ever washed your dinghy?
Yes, it is. Absolutely. I'm scrubbing the heck out of it.
Are you a super happy guy right now?
Oh, yeah.
Get your dinghy clean, babe.
I am. It's going to be fast and ready to go.
Now drink your beer.
Yeah, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to finish washing my dinghy, but don't look at me in the eyes while I'm doing it.
You like it too much. You're gonna go blind.
I'm carefully. Carefully. 3 points of contact.
Holy shit.
Want to see how all this craziness began? Here's a great place to start binge watching.